Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. For today's video, I wanted to share with you guys this quick and easy glueless wig install. This is the wig I'm putting on if I'm running errands or if I'm going to work. It's just so easy to grab this wig, put it on and go, and I'm able to take it right off because it's glueless. This wig is from Luvme Hair. It's their 12-inch bob wig with a 5x5 lace, and the sides are longer than the back, so it gives a very edgy look. In the box you have the wig, this really nice purple bag to store the wig back in. It also comes with bobby pins. Y'all, I am always losing my bobby pins. I can never find them when I need them, and I always buy packs of bobby pins at a time, but whenever it's time for me to use them, they are nowhere to be found. It also came with an edge brush, hoop earrings, and a white headband. This wig is already made to wear. You don't have to worry about customizing the wig. The knots on the lace are already bleached, the wig is already pre-plucked, and the lace just blends in so well with your skin tone. It's a transparent lace, so you don't have to worry about adding any makeup. Of course, that's something that you can still do if you want to get a very flawless blend, but it's not something that you have to do. If you're someone like me who has a very small head, you will benefit from this wig. You won't have to worry about adding the lace glue or any Got2b to really keep the wig in place, because those adjustable straps are really going to make sure that wig is secured. I just like to make both adjustable straps as tight as possible just to make sure that that wig is not moving around. I did go in and re-straighten this wig because the way the wig was sitting in the wig bag, it made one side look very clumpy. It just didn't look as straight as the other side. So I did go in and touched up the wig before I put it on. I'm not doing the bald cap method. You guys know that I hate the bald cap method. I also feel like the bald cap method always takes out my edges, but I'm probably just not doing it right. I don't know, you guys, but I really hate doing the bald cap method. So I just put the wig on. For this wig, all you have to do is make sure you have those adjustable straps adjusted to your head size, and then you just put the wig on. So after I put the wig on, I'm just adjusting it to make sure that it's in the right spot. And do you guys see how neat that part is? I did not make that part. I did not alter that part. I didn't pluck this hair at all, by the way. I'm not sure if I mentioned that. The only thing I did to the part was add my MAC lip pencil in the shade Court because I wanted the part to be a little lighter. The part was really straight. The knots were bleached, so it looked pretty light, but I just wanted to just add a little bit more to the part to make it more noticeable. The next thing I do is just cut off that extra lace. I cut the lace straight across. This is a closure wig, so I'm also not doing baby hair, so there's no need for me to try to cut the hair in a jagged line. When I'm cutting the extra lace off, I am being really careful. I'm getting as close as I can get to where the hairline starts without actually cutting some of that hairline off. So I'm getting really close and just making sure that I cut all of that extra lace so that it melts into my skin flawlessly. And y'all, that is literally all what I do to get the wig to look like this. Very natural, very simple. If you're someone who's not into the baby hairs, or you just don't have all the time in the world, because it takes so long to do baby hairs on a wig, it takes so long to pluck the hair, it takes so long to bleach the knots. But if you're someone who just wants a low maintenance wig, a wig that is ready to wear, Luvme Hair always has really good wigs that you can just pop on and pop right off. I also like how thin the lace is on their wigs because it just melts right in, and in person you really can't see where my lace starts. That is all what I did to get the wig to look like this, and this install only took me about 30 minutes, if that. I'll have all of the hair details for you guys in my description box, along with the exact link if you're interested in getting this wig. Also, let me know what you guys think about this wig. It is definitely giving me work vibes. I feel like I belong in the office setting. This is the wig that I would wear if I had Zoom calls. This is definitely the wig I'm grabbing if I need a rush to go somewhere, but I still want to look kind of cute. And I just love how easy it is for me to just take it right off once I'm done. Let me know what you guys think about this hair, about this wig, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, you guys.